In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your cart on Temu. Whether you've changed your mind about a purchase or you simply need to remove an unwanted item, I've got you covered with this easy guide. Let's jump right in. First off, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google and initiate a search for Temu. It's as simple as entering Temu into the search bar and hitting enter. You should see the Temu website appear at the top of your search results, so go ahead and click on it to move forward. Once you're on the Temu site, you'll need to create an account to proceed. You can do this using your email address or any other method that Temu provides and you find convenient. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, enter the required information, and you're good to go. After successfully creating an account, log into your Temu account. This will take you to your personalized Temu homepage where you'll find various options and menus for navigating the site. Now, suppose you found yourself in a situation where there's an item in your cart that you don't want to purchase anymore. No worries, the solution is straightforward. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the website. Here, you'll notice several icons denoting different sections such as orders, account details, support, and most importantly, the cart icon. Click on the cart icon, which will take you straight to your cart list where all the items you intended to purchase are displayed. Once you're in your cart, it's time to locate the item you wish to delete. Scroll through the list until you find the specific product you no longer want. It's usually organized neatly, so identifying the item shouldn't be too difficult. Now, pay close attention to the right side of the item's details. Here, you will find an icon that resembles a trash bin or an X, popularly referred to as the delete or erase icon. This button is your way to remove the unwanted item from your cart. It's designed to be user-friendly, so simply clicking it will remove the item from your cart immediately. And just like that, you're done. As soon as you click to delete the item, it will be removed from your cart, making room for the things you truly wish to buy. It's a super easy process that ensures your cart is always up to date with your latest shopping preferences. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Temu.